Hey everyone, welcome back, and this time let's take a look at how you can check out and view junk messages on your iPhone. So if we go to our messages app, which in my case is right on the home screen like that, you can see that this is the main page and these are the main conversations based on or ordered by the latest interaction. But in the top right corner, you can see there is the filter icon. So when you click on a filter right there, you can see some different categories. So as I said, the main one was the messages, but you also have the spam category, which is basically the junk messages, right? So if you go there, you can see for me, there isn't anything regarding the spam or junk, right? So as you can see, nothing appeared. But if you get some spammy messages or, unwanted ads or something of that sort, it will likely be put into this category. Keep in mind that you can control it a little bit. So if you click on the filter icon again in the top right corner, you can see that we can go to the manage filtering button below, which moves us over to the settings where we control specifically how we want to handle it. And you can see that I can enable screening of unknown senders, which I didn't have turned on before, right? And when I do this, then it's going to hide notifications and move messages to the unknown senders list, right? So again, it's going to create a new place within the messages. And also we have the filtering of the spam enabled. So make sure you have this turned on as well as the thing in here. You can also click on a text message filter. Some third-party apps might work for it, but that's off topic a little bit. So again, if we come back to the messages, you can see that now in the filtering, I have spam and even unknown senders, which is yet another filtering. So as you can see, that's how it works. That's how you can view your junk messages. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more quick tips and videos like this one, and I'm gonna see you later in the next uploads.